Welcome to our tutorial about how to avoid using a home address for your limited liability company. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. Now, every entrepreneur understands the importance of keeping personal and business matters separate. But did you know that over 60% of small business owners use their home address for their business? This could compromise your privacy. Today, let's guide you on how to avoid this. You can start with a registered agent. Many states require LLCs to have a registered agent with a physical address. Instead of using your home address, consider hiring a registered agent service. This shields your personal information from the public record. In fact, our organization is standing by to serve as your registered agent today. Additionally, think about using a commercial office space. Renting a physical space might be expensive, especially for startups. However, consider co-working spaces or virtual offices. They offer affordability and flexibility, with around 80% savings on costs compared to traditional office spaces. You might also consider a post office box. A P.O. box is a secure and affordable mailbox at your local post office. However, remember that some states do not allow P.O. boxes as a registered business address. Always check with your local regulations before proceeding. Lastly, consider a mail forwarding service. They provide you with a real street address that can accept mail from all carriers. You can then have your mail sent to your home address without the public knowing your home address. Remember, business identity theft is an increasing concern with over $3 billion lost annually. Don't become a part of that statistic. Make sure to do your research, stay aware of your state's laws, and take steps to maintain your privacy while establishing your LLC. Protecting your home address isn't just about privacy. It's also a way to establish professional credibility and maintain business integrity. If you need more information about how to avoid using a home address, visit legalregistration.com, or you are welcome to call our business experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what is your opinion on LLCs? Is there a specific advantage that made you decide to register an LLC? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.